typically we see the
Game
XP
mình
laner, so
zone
they
zone thành
know
lắm nè.
that they want to pick something up already. So now with the glue gone, I think this
Chân cái miên
changes things for
direct mà slot
the
vô ông bị
Evo
ơi đấy.
lineup, because typically the 3 first picks will be basically the same as game number 1.
Rồi rất bóng
So
kẹt áp
what
mong man.
can
7 4
what
cán
hero
đập.
can fill the shoes that glue
Cá châu VTB bom.
could
Trời
in the
dạ châu
previous
VTB
game?
đó. Chẳng
That
VTB đô game lên bàn châu
so Bruno was
bên
picked up,
lên
so
phải âm nhưng mà
pretty
châu.
much 4 similar heroes.
Bọn anh
The
mới
last
nhóm
pick will be interesting.
kén á.
Because for
Giờ
here,
sắp
I
khi
think
bóng tê một
the
rực.
only one that can really go into the back line without
Rồi
fear of
ngay
death,
cơ
and
đang
you
thủ
have
lấy
a
nhưng
lot
mà
of
ai đang này
sustain.
được rồi mà.
I
Từ
feel
kick ra này complex cá follow là kick
But
rồi.
really,
Min language đó
that's definitely a Gato
Anh đang share link với nè.
Dang EXP.
Đi
Get the level
tới
4
thoát
fast,
chúng mũi
and then
DJ
the
chúng ta
Lucas
mũi
XP.
po phong.
Yep.
Ồ DJ chúng ta
Soak
mình
up all the
mình
damage
ai đó
to
nhưng
the
mà đây.
backline, and then you unleash the beast and
Tỏ
get a lot of
Imi
damage
phụ
done.
cái tay mà
The
mình ai
only
đó
thing
nhung.
that I think Evo has to look out for is Ling, because the prince is back.
Chả năng cái xe
Ray, the
sầm
child
léo
prodigy,
ខ្លួនឯង
or I wouldn't say he's the ex-child prodigy. He still is.
ខ្ញុំ line នៅក្នុង kick ទេស្គាល់ kick
ជា
kick ជា platform streaming មួយទៀតអាយ
uncrowned
Oh,
king.
đi.
No, but he's crowned.
Technically,
Nè
see,
mơ
as
mà
well
chủ
as
nó
she-
ខ្លួន
no,
ឯង
I don't think he usurp. Right? He's still technically in
Nè,
the
kick
child
nó nè.
prodigy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll call him
នេះ kick
the rising
បើ
prince
ត
again,
នេ
but-
អាច
Yeah,
បង្កើត
he's back
account
in
kick
action.
ឲ្យ
Yeah,
ទៅ
we'll get to see him
follow
in his
ខ្ញុំ ម្
link.
នាក់មួយ
It's
ក៏
been a
បា
while
ន
since we saw
kick ហ្នឹង
Ray's
គឺជា
link,
platform ដែលល្បី
really,
នៅក្រៅស្រុក
Railing.
favoring right now.
I actually kind of like what Evil have for themselves, right?
Yeah,
They-
pretty much the same, but
pretty
I
much
mean,
the
you're a sucker for Lucas anyways.
Up there.
selfie with Van Nan ផងឲ្យ fan មើលផងហើយយេ
Hey, I don't blame you, because I see Frederick
ខ្ញុំ
I'm the same
ទៅ
way.
ការងារហ្នឹងប្រហែលពាក់តាមអាវខ្មាសេធម្មតាទេទៅឲ្យយកគួតចូលទេនេះចូល
I mean, he's got
ខ្ញុំឲ្យសុំតែ play ឲ្យ cam ក៏អត់មានដែរអើយដោះកុងអាជីមកថ្នាក់ហ្នឹង
Hold on a second. Roy taken out first blood.
Oh,
Way too
he's
deep.
so
Trapped by the wall. No flicker, no pure.
អំពី LIC អត់មាន
You will get
អត់
taken
មាន
down.
ខ្មែរ
Sailor
សិ
showing a
ង្ហ
lot of
បុរអញ្ចឹងអត់
dominance
មានខ្មែរ
in the early game.
Now, of course, people are just
Fix មក
wondering
ឪ
why are they dropping
Fix
at
វា
the
ពេល live វាគាំងវិញ Speed វាមិនដឹងវាបើរបៀបម៉េចមកវាបើយើងតតគាំងខ្ញុំឆ្ងល់ដែរ
Because already seems like
Hello,
they're trying
Harry
to
the
work
Bee.
out the
Just-
mistakes
Just
that they
the Bee.
made in the previous composition.
ចាំសា
and
ត្រេមើល
all over
ត្រេបិទ
again.
ត្រេប
ចង់ដៃបង្វិតមែនអត់ដឹងទេមើលម្ហូបទៅ
That they have a look
ដល់យើងលួចសួរចុងភៅបើសិនជា
What is
សួរ
that
បន្តុកមែន
damage? You got the wall getting built
Tao
up.
nói những chai
Vincent
cùi.
moves
Ủa, thôi nó
close to
mà
the
tóc
sun.
500.
He gets taken
Chẳng
out
đọc
mid
nhé.
air.
Mà
Sailor
tóc
taking
thơm
a
này
lot of
han
damage
thật
as
nhiều.
well. Roy
ចឹងយើង
just
ចែក
going
តាម
for
ហ្នឹង
that
យើងថែម
stun.
10រៀល
Sailor
ពីលើទៅ
taking
ថ្លៃ
a
ក៏
lot
អី
of damage
អី
as
នឹង
well.
top
Oh,
Takes down
Bray.
Bray.
Mà học tập riêng,
Powerful's
luôn
left
nè.
all alone.
Cả.
One more hit, and they might be able to go down. It's powerful against the world, but here
Wow.
comes Vincent here for the
ចុះ
second
មកឆាវាយ
strike.
គ្នាស្អីណាគេ
It's
បេត
just
បើ
around the
ដែរ
corner.
អា
I think Vincent
Rồi.
knows
រយ
he has the retribution.
À,
ready. He
chơi,
wants to
chơi.
take it out and get out the way.
Oh,
It's a drive-by for that Fanny.
what the
It's
heck
almost the same composition from Evil, and it
Jump,
still
yes,
works
go.
out in the early
Oh my
stages
gosh.
of the game. It's still absolutely phenomenal. Now, I really like the Lucas pick, right?
លើ
The
សម្បត្តិ
only
គេមាន
reason
កន្ល
why I
ះ
say
កោ
I like that is because
យេពណ៌ទឹកដោះគោ
RNG set them up.
Yeah.
They
ខ្ញុំ
set
មាន
it
អាវ
up.
ពណ៌
I
ទឹកដោះ
don't know
គោ
what
ដែរ
RNG
ធំខ្ញុំ
does
ពណ៌
want
ដោះគោ
to
មាន
do
ដែរ
this up for themselves. Maybe they really wanted to deny the Gato
អត់
Katra.
ទៅការ
But
display
then-
យ៉ាងទៅតែ
then
ទៅ
again-
ងាយតែទៅស្មើហ្នឹង
Yeah,
មក
it
ហ្នឹង
makes
គេ
sense,
ផ្ទឹម
because Gato Katra can disrupt the
Tầm
fire
chẳng
eyes on
ăn
this.
từ
I don't know how
tầm
powerful
nâng ăn
is
từ
it
hai
to
cái núi
survive
cứ rương
so
nhau.
much.
Okay, we start things off with the very
ពូក៏ទៅពេលផឹកដែរ
so
Yeah.
Roy with the purifier. It
Bọn
would make
anh
sense
live
that
đóng
he
bay
picks up
platform,
purifier
yeah.
for himself,
bay
right?
platform
Powerful
ចង់ដាក់
Tiết lăng
platform
cuốn.
ក៏បានដែរខ្លាច
right?
អី
Clear
ដែរ
has
រ
got
ត់
great tempo, and he turns up.
អាយយ៉ា
He's
load
a-
follow
he's a
រោយ
healer. So the
Trời,
moment
nó
that
thích
the passive is constantly on,
It's
you
me,
can
not
just
you,
keep on
I follow
rotating
lời
between
cái nè.
skill one
Nó
and
kick
skill
nữa nè.
two.
Ờ,
Kick
dạ,
mình.
mình đã follow nó kick
Mẹ,
rồi.
3 10 view ហើយនេះ
You allow her to
មេ
ឡើង
លី
បែរ
ទឹក
ដល់
សា
view
ហាវ
that.
មេលីស្និតទាំងឯងបើមេលីអត់ទៅហើយចំនួននឹងខុសយ៉ាងតែខ្ញុំអត់ទៅហើយចំនួនអត់ខុសហើយខ្ញុំតែបានប៉ាំង
Yeah.
តែយ៉ាសន
I think
ចូល
that
follow
was a
ដែរ
very nice
ហើយកុំភ្លេច
read,
follow លើ kick អស់
by
គ្នា
the Dang to try to trap.
តាមតុក100លើសតុក200យើងធម្មតា
Going back into the
ដោយសារ
game.
មានអ្នក follow kick ចិត្តហើយមកពីសាង876
But
កាប់
Evo just really ramping up the tempo this time.
ចឹងដល់គ្នាធ្វើការ follow kick ខ្ញុំម្នាក់មួយមក
So much.
ដល់ថ្ងៃក្រោយគេហៅយើងធ្វើ BA kick អីទៅចូលមក BA kick មីឡត
This
គេទៅខ្លួនឯង
តែនៅអត់
ឯ
មាន
ង so
ឡើង
speed មែន
and this ball little time
ឡើងមិចមានតែអង់គ្លេសអត់មានខ្មែរ
a lot more coming in because especially number 1
mainly
that has got from block. Number 2
ខ្ញុំចង់មានអីហ្នឹង sponsor ទៅខ្ញុំ
so they shouldn't even be fighting for this turtle.
Jay soaking up a lot of damage, trying to tank as much as he can, but they're already zoned out.
Wow.
Evil
ហ្គេមនេះ
will
ដា
do
បាន
is
2
that
សូល
pick that lure, that turtle up
ម៉ែយើង
up the
គួរតែ
way.
គេវាយ
The
King ថ្ងៃ
hands, but
12យ៉ាងនេះ
Roy, Sailor
នឹងគួរក្នុងស្រុកក្រៅស្រុកខែ7
deal
ខែ
up damage onto Roy, comes the
ស៊ីង
blade.
ស៊ីង
Off by
ស៊ីង
Bray.
ស៊ីង
We get
ប្រយ
the
ប្រយ
sword
ប្រេ
out of the
ប្រេ
way.
ដាក់មេប្រែន
Man, RSG
Mỗi đô la
playing
pi
very,
chăn.
very defensively just because of
Rất là
Lucas,
vột ở
just
con trai
because
super là nó sọc
how
hiệp lọ phần
aggressive
này.
Alpha is in his playstyle. They're able to go
Mỗi đô
in
la
all
thì
the
bên này
way.
mẹ này làm.
Drops off that wall.
À, phở
But
tiệt.
then again,
Đợt bè
man,
đập mùi
oh
bằng
man.
đô la sao dương. Pì miên chạ tới giờ ọt chạ. Pì
No matter how
production
much they
quality
perform,
đập đập tới giờ 5 là đập prai lọc. Pì player cam I mean player cam caster គួយដាក់ background នេះខ្មៅចំនួនតាំងពី5ឆ្នាំមុនដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើ
Jumps back into the game, got closer with the
អាយ៉ា
flashback
ផាណាត់
on
សូ
the
សនប៉ា
field.
អរគុណការ
But
follow
still,
លើ kick ផងដែរ
RSG,
យ៉ា
two
យើង
members down.
ឡើង
Evil has the
Ây da,
tempo, has
em
the momentum, and has the
អើ
rotation
យើមានអ្នក
speed.
ទៅ comment
You
ហ្នឹង
gotta,
Bong
you
dong
gotta fight
follow
down the
nong
bottom
kick out
side. The
chăng?
rest of
Nè,
people are coming
កើត
in.
កណែ
តមាន
មួយមក
កាក់ account
កើតយើងបង្កើតជាកណន័យមួយមកយើងកណន័យយើងអាច sign in មួយ Google ក៏បានដែរ
Here's the next problem, right?
ពីពេល you stream អាចរើសឡើងមិចខ្មែរបាន
Gonna pop up a lot earlier, so you can't exactly funnel too much.
ហើយកុំដាក់ English ពួកយើងមិននិយាយអង់គ្លេស
25 សេនពីឆេងលីអរគុណច្រើនជួយបោះសំណោស្រីភាពអរគុណដែរ
Getting caught out. The gamble.
លេង
It's gonna bite.
ខ្មែរ
អូមានដែរនេះសែវ
ខ្មែរទៅ
ដាក់ពិសាខ្មែរ
Hey, hey,
ទៅឲ្យ
We don't
ខ្មែរ
talk
ខ្មែរ
about. We don't
ចូល
talk
មក
about
we
it.
don't, we
បង
don't
ប្
talk
អូន
about
យើងខ្មែរខ្មែរហ្នឹងចូលមកមើល
and we
មក
don't talk about Fight Club.
Road to the Star
What are we- where
កា
are
ម
we
ធីទៅ
going
ធ្លាប់
with
ឮ Road to the Star
Hey, you know what? Even though they don't talk about Bruno, they,
Ah,
they,
con
they,
cha
they
không-
truly didn't.
តែតក់168នៃការ follow លើ kick
They
ផង
did,
ដែរ
they
play
did,
អស់នៅ
they
បង
did.
play អស់ហើយដែរ
Yeah,
បែ
so-
អស់ស្រី
so-
នោះ
They, they made a song about not
ខ្ញុំ
talking about
តាំ
Yeah, so they didn't violate their own clause,
បាន
They actually did it.
but they celebrated it.
ទៅទទួលឡខ្ញុំផឹកមិនខ្ញុំមើលនេះដែរតាខ្ញុំធ្វើអឺ
No. We're gonna
តាំង
say
ហេង
serious.
អរគុណ
This is
សម្រាប់
playoffs
1 ដុ
right
ល្លារ
now,
11
and I
សេន
think
ចំពោះឡើងមក
RSG,
ភាព
they're
ឡោណា
clawing
ពី
their
ម៉ែ
way
ក
back
ណែ
up 3,000 gold behind
សម្ដេច
Evil.
ហ៊ុនម៉ាណែតដែរគាត់និយាយពាក់ព័ន្ធពីរឿងព្រំដែននៅ
Now
ស្ដាប់ព័ត៌មាន
Brave trying to pick up all the constellation
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំ
tracks
ចូល
in
អាយុ
the
កាល
long
ស្ដាប់
lanes.
ព័ត៌
You
មាន
got
នឹង
the
មើល
Blue
កីឡា
Turtle
បណ្ដា
getting
បណ្ដា
started
ចូល
up
ទៅ
by Evil, getting
ចូលក្នុង
resetted
នេះ
by Jay. Very good calls by
តាមពិត
Ling
ស្ដាប់អត់
Ling,
ដឹងណាស់នេះ
Bray a little bit more
បងតែតែ
time.
ហេកអិចសុផាសុផានីអូ
I think RSG can't
Wow.
fight and can't be
តែតែហេក
overly
ហ្នឹងហើយនឹង
aggressive
សុផានីហ្នឹងវាដូចសង្គ្រាមរុស្ស៊ីហ្នឹងអ៊ុយក្រែនហ្នឹងអត់ចប់ទេ
with an
Vì
AOG
đang-
onto the back line and try to take out one of the core
ការមិន
heroes.
មកបានខ្ញុំ add
This has
friend
already
អត់
got
កើត
two
ចឹង
deaths, so one more
ហ្វូលហ្នឹងឯង unfollow ចោលខ្លាំង
it might spell trouble for
អ
us.
សនអ្នកនេះសនក៏ដឹងនិយាយ
Now, I really want to see
Sean,
the
lại tới
Roman
chụp
trio
đẩy
coming in
Clipper
from
này.
RSG that actually works out well. However, because Bray is
Tiết
technically
đoពេល,
currently out of the
coi
picture,
start
I'm
thua.
currently looking at
Ồ,
who
ở đây.
are going to
អត់
be
តដល់ពេលហ្នឹង
great prey for Bray.
និយាយទៅអ្នកនេះនៅពេលខ្ញុំចង់ relax ខួរក្បាលចង់ឲ្យខួរក្បាលយើងវាល្អដល់ខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ដាប់អីអត់
Still, Sailor is able
ASMR
to navigate his way out of
Yeah.
out of
sound ធ្វើឲ្យសំឡេងខ្ញុំល្អខ្ញុំអត់សូវចូលចិត្តស្ដាប់
អូ
Little getting spawned up.
kick
Powerful
kick
slams to the wall.
លឿន
On
ដូច
that
ខ្វិច
back line, trying to keep Roy busy. Down in. Turtle will be stolen up by Bray.
Lai lươn
Nice retribution stingers. Powerful soaking up all that damage. Gonna
Play
get an air
outside
strike.
back
Bray
line.
stopped him in his tracks in that back line. Roy is
ខុស
still
គ្នា
alive.
ខុសគ្នាមួយ
But
second
Evo took down the
អូ
turtle.
លឿនហ្មង
No, RSG took
ឥឡូវ
down the turtle.
37 38
Fist crack.
5នាទី40 41 42 លឿនណាស់
Won't be able to hit it.
Shit.
បងនេះមាន friend មួយបងវិញនៅអូតើយូរថ្ងៃអែតមក
restream លេង Magic Chess
From RSG,
ដាក់
even
kick
though they
ប៉ុ
may
ន្តែបើសិន
not
ជា
be
you
able to
plan
get
លេង game
pressure,
ហាមដាច់ខាត
the
កុំដាក់ក្នុង
game
kick
down
ឬក៏
to
សិត delay ហើយយូរ
This
តិច
will allow them to kind of ease up
มันលឿនណាស់នេះ
if they want to play a
សុ
little
ផា
bit
នី
more
ផ្ទះតែ
aggressively.
លីហេង
But
រ
I
ហូត
don't
ហ្នឹង
think that that is going to be the main problem. In
និយាយ
most
ដឹងតប
situations,
ជាមួយ
I
គ្នា
always
មក
want
ការ
to have
Haragon
someone
Lissin
targeting
Mingli
the lane, take it down so that they can play
ជា
aggressively.
ស្រ័យក្នុងបែបហ្នឹង
But
តកទេ
But this game for RSG, they need
ខ្ញុំ
cycling
មករួម
control.
តុកមេលី Santo Paragon Niker
Ooh, nice little juke from
មកតុកហ្នឹង
Yeah.
Ben.
I
Right out the way. He's taking a lot of
Chase
damage.
Ivy,
Underneath
I
the
got
turret
this
they go. Ben will fall as well. They're powerful. Next to fall, good attraction pulse down the backside. Sailor will take CS out as well.
ប្រេ
It's
ហ្នឹង
a
ឯ
2 for
ង
2
កូត
trade
កូត
from
បាយ
both
ផ្ទះ
sides.
លើកដៃកន្លែងមួយ
So good defense coming in from Evil. Even Evil themselves
Đặt
also
một mạng.
understands that the silent pressure is
វ៉ា
all
ន់ណាទៅអត់
that
ដឹងណា
is
ខ្មែរចូលស៊ីស៊ូន
one of the main
ដឹង
winners
ដែរហ្នឹង
for
ចូល
RSG.
ដើម្បី content ហ្នឹង
Keep these side lanes up, and 1-1 will not
ដាក់
be
ធွာ
able to
យក
get
កូន
that
លេង
far.
កើតហើយ
That was a
បង
good
ពងឡាយហ្នឹងកុំ
counteractive
ព្យូទ័រ
play.
មែន
He read the
កុំ
AOG
ព្យូ
like
ទ័រ
a
ណែ
book.
នេះដែរ
And Ven,
នៅលើ kick ក៏ជា platform សម្រាប់ live stream ចំនួនទី 2 ចាតែចំនួនថ្មីរបស់បន្ទាប់ពី Twitch ដែរ
with the
Twitch
fist
ហ្នឹង
crack, with the dash.
ចឹងមាន
created
streamer
wall,
ធំ
so
ធំច្រើនមែនតើតែគេទិញយកពី Twitch ចូលទៅ
alongside
កាន់
of Evil,
kick
get the last turn of the
Bạch
game
Hoàng
against
Cá,
Spawned
chắc
up
em check
15
lại.
seconds. They're
ព្រោះ
leading the
Twitch
charge.
ខ្ញុំ live ហ្នឹងមិនសូវណាគេមើល
Over
ហ្នឹង
from
មិនសូវ
here,
ណាដែរ
Crash and Pulse Coaster can't escape from the hands
Nhọc.
of the villains. As RSG
ពួក kick ខ្ញុំមិនតបានទៅសិក្សាពីវា affiliate program ហើយនឹង partner program វាស្អីខ្លះខ្ញុំអត់សូវដឹង
will get spawned up. Evil in a better position to get that contest.
Now the turtle is currently available.
ចំ take
Evil will
បាន
have
ណាឲ្យមើល
the
ផងដឹងគេឲ្យទៅ
major
ចិត្តអត់
priority coming in, especially since they have
Mạch đắng.
about 2,000 golden lead.
បើថតមួយពូជ្រួយអីម៉ែមើលវ៉ាន់ណាឯងម៉ាក់នេះថតមួយវ៉ាន់ជ្រួញអញ្ចឹងថតមួយវ៉ាន់ជ្រួញថតមួយអធិការអញ្ចឹង
For external control and external
ថតមួយណាគេទេណាគេ idol ខ្ញុំ
which is Bray, which Bray is doing pretty well.
ម៉ែណាគេ idol ខ្ញុំ
Starting things off though.
ថតជីវិតហ្នឹងទៅជីវិត idol
Being seen.
ចាំខ្ញុំសុំហាត់តលេខ5ពីជីវិត
On that
ហើយ
turtle
ហើយ
pit.
យកលក់
Turtle gets a reset on the
eBay.
backside. You got a crossbow tang, taking down one, taking down two. CS still alive, but barely standing as Gear comes in from that
Đây,
flank.
nghe nó ngọt,
Able
ta
to
xông
take
hạt là lấy
one
hai
down
này
as well. Jay was next to fall. Sailor barely surviving with his life. Closer will not
Hello,
be
nào thế?
long for the
Đây.
world as Roy
Hello,
getting
mày
a
chẳng
feather
năng
out
kick
the
năng là cho
way.
tao một cái
Caught out midair by that Nightingale Fox, I should say.
ចង់ថាកុំ
Here
តើ
to ramping up the aggression. Ray comes into question once again. Evil. Barely salvaging that situation, turning that turtle into a lord, and this will be a big objective fight for both sides.
Is this a
គេ clone ទៅដូរ
damage
តពណ៌តិច
Lucas
ហ្នឹង
with
មាន
the
អីអាហ្នឹង
X?
developer
It feels like he's got a lot of damage. But hold on a second. Let's talk
ហូ
a
មអា
little
តិកា
bit
ចិត្ត
more about
ចិត្តបង
this
ឯងចុះយកដឹង
really
មិនដឹងទៅ
quick
ផ្ទះចោលបាត់
that CS held on to the crossbow of Tang and only pop up the
ថ
crossbow
ត
of Tang when
មួយ
it's
ពូចកមួយ
necessary. Managed to
ពូចកមែន
find
សិល
that kill
បាច់សូយ
even when it comes down to whoever that
គាត់
was
គ្រប់ត្រូលក្រុមណាក្រុមហ្នឹងមិនដែរឃើញឈ្នះផង
Oh, it's just
គាត់
trades for
គាត់
trades.
គ្រប់
Jumping
ត្រូល
back
យើង
into
យើង
the
មិន
game,
លាយ
Hero already fell.
អូអត់កាទេ
Vincent found an angle to take out
ដល់
CS.
គ្នាឆ្ងល់អត់ថៃតាមពិតតែមេលីអត់បានខះ MPL មិនមែនដោយសារកង sponsor ទេដោយសារមេលីទៅរាប់អានមួយពូចក
Evil has to wait 5
ចឹង
seconds.
សយមក
Here comes back out. You have only
សុំ DJ
Powerful
ស្ដាថតផ
was
ង
able to zone the back line out, and I think the only
ខ្ញុំ DJ ស្ដាទៅមិនទៅធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំកំរើដល់ EMI គូកណែកប់ប្រុស MLK អរគុណនៃការ follow លើ kick បងឯង
with the Farsa. So
សាឡាងង Red Giant ចុចដាក់ឈ្មោះចឹងសួរចាំអត់ចាំដែរ SRG
They are able to push down the bottom side as well. Now Lord third quarter. Vincent won't be able to get there in
ការ
time
អ
though.
ត់ចេះញ៉ាំ
Starting
ហូបអី
things
គេ
off
ខ្ញុំ
with Ray.
អត់ចង្កៀត
Little
ត្រី
snatch that up
ហើយនឹង
though.
ខ
A little bit too late, but they took that
Chom
T1 down in the process.
ខស្អីក៏ដោយខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្ត
Starting it up with that unleash the
Tại
beast,
mà
dealing
kho-
a lot of damage, but here comes Vincent as well. Here comes
ខ
the
ជើង
blade,
ជ្រូកខ
taking
ស្បែក
down
ជ្រូក
two
ខ
members of the
ពា
side
ំង
of
ខ
Evil.
ត្រី
Defense
អត់ចូលចិត្ត
barely
ឲ្យតែខ
standing up strong, one side powerful.
តែបខបកញ៉ាំ
Able out to safety this time, but RSG has to deal
ទូយ៉ា
with the
ទីសយ
barrage of
ជាងបង
minions
ចង់
coming
ឃើ
down
ញ
from
មេ
bottom
លី
side.
អង្គុយមួយអាថៃ
The fact that RSG
Mà nó
managed
biết
to
đôi
take
cái
the
đường-
Lord for themselves, this is even more breathing space.
founder
Seems
របស់
like they managed
Ờ,
to
lên
take
lane founder
control
đặt
of
cho
the previous
flash
fight,
mùi
and that was
founder xuống.
amazingly done from them. And moving on
ថត
forward,
មួយ
I
ពេក
think
សូល
that
ការ
with
ផង
the
ឯង
amount
ដល់ខ្ញុំ
of,
ងាប់ថាដើរថតគេ
AOE
គ្រប់
that
គ្នា
they
បណ្ដោយ
have done, with the crowd control
ចា
that
ហ្នឹង
they
គេ
have
ឲ្យយើង
done
ដើរ
as
ផ្សេងផ្សាយ
well,
TikTok អត់
this is the
មិនម៉េចយើងមិន
competition that
គួយ
we
ស៊ី
want.
បណ្ដោយដើរថតគេពេញហ្នឹង
So they managed to fix that problem, right? It is still very
Sao mà đá chết à?
ultimate reliant.
Ai
So
đâu,
as
mẹ.
long as Evil understands that, okay, we split
ខ្ញុំអ
parts
ត់មាន
up,
អា
we ensure that we
Osmo
don't give them
ដើម្បី
all
ធ្វើ
the
block ទេ
big
មានទូរស័ព្ទចឹងកាន់ដៃឯងគ្មានយក gimbal ទៅទេ
would
កាន់តែដៃ
probably
វិញ
work out well for Evil.
Taking a
វា
look at
ទៅ
high ground.
គឺគ្មាន
Lord
ថ្ងៃត្រូវ
leading
ទៀត
the charge down the
មក
mid.
ការរៀបចំខ្លួនឲ្យហើយល្ងាចហ្នឹងទៅរើស end guy បាន
Doing
គ្នា
a lot of
ពីរ
damage.
ខ្ញុំចែកលុយពេលស្មើចូលរើសកំប៉ុង
Vincent comes to play as
Alright, let's
RSG.
go.
Scissor starts up on Vincent.
កា
The
នូស
back line.
94អរគុណនៃការ
takes him
follow
And Evil, one member down. You have to deal with the enhanced minions
និ
though.
យាយទៅនៅ kick ហ្នឹង
You're
វាដូច Twitch
already
ច្រើន
ready
ណាស់
in position. Ammo locked in and ready to go. Unleashing the
អ្នកដែលធ្លាប់
beast
មើល Twitch គេយល់
underneath
ហើយ
the
ណា
turret.
interface សឹងអត់
You're
ដូច
taking
គ្នា
off
ដល់
damage
ខ
from
ន
CS. Won't be able to make
ហើយ
it
ដូរ
far.
ហើយ
As Gear
policy អីចឹង
barely
ណា
surviving up strong and barely
ការីណា
losing.
អេមើលចង់ការីណាមើលស្ដាច់ស្ដាច់ស្ដាច់ clip
Unfortunately,
clip ចំ
Evil
យ៉ា
is
clip
not exactly a lineup
Clip
that
sao vô
does
mà.
very well
តែគេអាច
in
ចំមក
defense.
clip បានហើយទៅ
They don't have
យល់ទេ
that good of a
ដាច់
wave
clip
here.
នៅលើ
So
TikTok
the
ការី
moment
ណា
that
មើលលើ
RSG
TikTok
get
Nói
that kind of
មួយដុល្លារ
momentum
ពិសេស
and
ចូល
that
នៅកូនចាស់
tempo
ជប៉ុនសណាឡ
working
សុ
out
ភាព
for
ឡោ
them,
ផង
I
ដែរ
think
បាទ
that
តែ
is
ប៉ិតខ្ញុំ
more
ចង់
or
ឡាយ
less
គេ
in
នៅ
the
លើ
bag
TikTok
for RSG.
តែនឹង TikTok
Right?
ការ
So
វាឲ្យយើង
over the
ឡាយ
next
ទៅ
realistically
ធុញខ្ញុំ
able
យ៉ា
to clear away fast as well as
និយាយ
to
ទៅ
be able
ខ្មែរ
to
យើងស្អី
put
ក៏គេឲ្យ
it
ប្រើ
will be
ក្រោយគេ
Vincent.
ដែរឆ្
But
ងល់
other
ងាប់
than
ណា
that, normal wave pushing, it will be the Kimi as well
បងចូល
as
តុកជាមួយ
the
iFrog មែន
Lucas.
អូអត់ផង
Yeah.
ខ្ញុំ
Flashback from Ven, though,
Niker
with the
Taku
gun already built up,
Paragon
but still no kills
Parato
for this Bruno.
Santo
40 seconds until
Hay
the
đang,
next Lord
Melee.
spawns up. This will be the second Lord of the game. For both teams
Let's fuck it
back
more.
again at square
ការ
one.
ជីវិតទេផ្អើល
knows that they're waiting in the bush.
បើឡង
Be
វា
able to
ស្វេ
find
មក
and
ណា
Angler start
ឡាយ
getting
ដែរគាត់
off.
ឡាយដែរ
Powerful knows that
រ៉ាឌូឌូក៏នៅការ follow លើ kick ប៉ុណ្ណេះ
I think it's really
មកដល់
unfortunate
AI
given
spot
how
លេងហើយ
Evil
អូ
has
មើលចាប់ឡើយ
played
ចាប់ឡើយ
early
ចាប់ឡើយ
game advantage.
គ្មានគីឡូឯ2-0នេះ Mày cái ban này chắc là cái tạp pi sâu rồi. Ấy chứ sao
No
thì khẩu
kills on this guy for an early game
nhóm
marksman.
Saison
significantly huge ticket here.
APBO Saison
This
mình
game,
Saison
I
score
think that they have a good
cái
opportunity.
cạp lôi ở hai
Great
màn
competition
dương
as well
use scout
against
đọc này
RNG.
score này TikTok
This
YouTube
is
YouTube mong để dân man YouTube partner nó có men xuống đây
for both sides.
cả đùa thì gì ở con trai bên này
Both jungles.
Saison score nè mới đâu xuống nào ra so chi
Trial
một bài hai
their
nữa thật
position
ngay
as well. So
bài trái nữa bạn hộp ấy rồi nghe
whoever
này
makes the first move
rồi nó cái hai
will
hộp ấy
be able to
mọi vâng một chiếc ba lại
Impulse start things off though. Jay taking a lot of damage. Will be able
แต่
to
ทอ
walk
ดเรื่อง
out
ญี่ปุ่น
safe
อัดแมนเทฟาตู
for
โปร
a
เออตก
third
จบ
at a half.
cái hai này cơได้ฮาวเด้อ
Has no
Ôi,
signs
đang
of
đào pliêng
when
gì
to
mà.
go for it. You have a little bit of
Cũng
information
pliêng ấy, lục
intelligence
ơi.
from here, though.
ជាស្អីផងធ្វើម៉េចជីវិតគាត់ដឹងថាណៃកើជាដំណាគាត់ចេះតែហៅអញ្ចឹងណាចាំមិនមកជួយលើកលែងឲ្យខ្ញុំនឹងកុំភ្លៀងអីឲ្យភ្ញៀវកិត្តិយសនេះទៅឲ្យបានសុបាយចិត្តតិច
in time for any steals whatsoever, but Roy left
When
alone to
next
their own
man
position.
បង
Man, this is
Ven
Very
Ven Ven ហ្នឹង Ven next
crucial
man
lord
ហ្នឹង
take from both sides.
Vincent ហ្នឹងនៅនេះ Vincent
Trying to
ហ្នឹង
find an angle out of the way. He won't be able to take this. Don't race. So
powerful
lures that lord down. The tsunami slam, powerful.
អី Ven នេះ
Got
Ven
taken down as well. Evil
អ
just
ត់អញខ្ញុំអត់តន់ច្បាស់
man, I don't know what happened, but it was
មុននឹងមើលដែរ Hello Leo Sack
they just
ដៃ
keep throwing their bodies down.
សុខសប្បាយ
Oh no, Vincent. Trying to be a little
Ở
bit
đây
greedy,
Ven nó
hoping that
Philippines
he'll
nào
be
thế?
able to
Ven
get a
Ven
bubble buff, but that is all
Oh.
Ven
just
ហ្នឹង Ven
for now.
របស់
Stuck
Philippines
on the wall, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
តែខ្ញុំចិត្តបងឯងសុំចូល live ដែរ
I think that is game.
ណានេះទេ
RNG lineup is
Ba là mấy
perfectly
Niker.
created for the late game.
Bông
It's a
nhắm
very
bay
greedy
cha
lineup,
bông,
but
ok.
somehow managed to come into fruition in
Bông tục cua
11
nhắm
minutes
cha
in
bông.
the game. The front
Bông tục
line
cua nhắm cha
double
bông, chọc
double
rồi.
Thunderbelt.
ដល់ដល់ Man City Shark rồi
Here, taking on
Hello,
back line,
boy,
doing a lot of
Chudi,
damage,
con
though.
làm
It's
cao,
just
lost.
the nick of time for the
Hello.
rest of the teams to come back in.
ផងណារ៉ាវណាគាត់សម្រាប់
Powerful.
25សេន
Throwing
គាត់
him
ណា
underneath
ឡ
the
ោះ
turret.
ហេ
He falls for side
គាត់បាននិយាយ
RNG.
RG នេះ
He
គឺរ
might
ត់
be
ក្នុង
able to
បាយផ្ទះ
take
ឲ្យ
this.
ហ្វែលឡើង
You
យក
spoke too soon, Abstract.
Vincent ហ្នឹងនៅ
I thought
Rebellion
he was in the bag already.
Vincent មែន
Oh
មានណា
man.
Vincent ហ្នឹងមកពី
What a
gig
play from Gear.
គេ loan ពី
What
gig
a play
បាន
from Gear, soaking up that damage and the Winter Crown play. Just
Van
to
Dijk no
buy
flash
themselves
day.
some time. How powerful. Time to respawn and try to get that defense was just so clutch. But right now, though, RSG 3,000 gold ahead. I think at this point, gold doesn't really matter as much. It's all about item swappings at this point.
ជី
We're
កាក់មែន
15
ទៅ
minutes
ញ៉ាំ
into the
ការ
game.
កុំភ្លេច
100
យក
seconds
ច្រ
until
ច្រក
the
ហូប
third
បច្ចេក
Lord
ហ្វេន
game spawns up. Let's take a look at itemizations.
Yep. So
ក្ប៊ី
as
មាន
you
ទៅនេះអត់
mentioned, most if not
មានតែ
all
ហើយចំនួន
of
អ
the
ក្ប៊ីដល់ទៅ
main
ហើយចំនួន
damage
រឿងនេះ
dealers
ក្ប៊ី
and
មី
the
លី
main,
នេះអត់ទៅហើយចំនួននឹងរឿង
have
សិន
already
អ្នកសិត
gotten
សិតដល់ទៅ
their
ហើយ
full
ចំនួន
items. 1-1 as well as
ហ្នឹងហើយ
Bruno had
Vincent ហ្នឹង
yet
ដំបូង
to
នៅ
get full
Rebellion
items.
អូវាចេញពី
Shows
Rebellion
difference
ល្អ
that 1-1
នៅ
does
ធីមហ្នឹង
not
គ្មាន
need
មាននរណាគាត់
does not need boots.
សដាក់
So
ធីមណាវា
this
ណា
is
អ
pushing
ើយ
to the final item. While for
បាន
Bruno,
សុខសប្បាយបង
he's
តែ
trying
រ
to
វល់
get
តិច
1,000
អូមិនអីទេ
gold
រវល់ល្អ
for
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរវល់រវល់សប្បាយចិត្ត
I would
ព្រោះរ
like
វល់បានលុយសប្បាយចិត្តយកមក
like to believe
រ
that
វល់បើយើងចំណេះកើនចំណេះរវល់វាកើនចំណូល
yeah, very likely it's but great amount of defense coming in.
បែរនេះនៅ Falcon ល្អបើខ្មែរយកមកលេងនៅ MPLM
បែកណា
ងើបបានរួចទេដេកម៉ោង2អូចប់អញ្ចឹង
At least Badang does have
រឿងបានណាប៊ីនេះដល់ជីវិតកាត់កៅណា Chun Li អរគុណសម្រាប់ការ follow លើ kick ផងដែរ ជីវិតដល់កាត់កៅខ្វីចៅដល់ទៅហើយ
Then
Còn
again,
các
I think
squad,
they have what it takes
Perman.
to fight mano a mano in all these big
អំពីអត់សាំងសាំងពោបាត់អត់ sponsor
just for gear.
កំណត់គេមើលឃើញ
he
sponsor
finds it a
សាំង
little
ពោ
bit
បាត់
harder
មើល
because
ឃើញ
look at the
sponsor
items.
ខ្ញុំបាត់ខ្លះហើយ
More of a utility
អត់ជួយគ្រប់គ្រង
instead of
sponsor ខ្ញុំ
go
ឥឡូវគេ
crazy
ដកបាត់
for
ហើយ
him, take
ជួល
so
បាត់
a lot of damage and go
ជួយគ្រប់គ្រង sponsor ខ្ញុំបងស្រឡាញ់ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ sponsor ខ្ញុំបងអ្នកនេះនៅពេលដល់អ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងទៅគាត់សប្បាយចិត្តគាត់នឹងឲ្យលុយខ្ញុំថែមជឿ
with
នៅពេលខ្ញុំបានលុយថែមខ្ញុំនឹងបានលុយនោះយកទៅទិញឡានអេអ្នកនេះឃើញខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តឃើញខ្ញុំបានឡានអ្នកនេះសប្បាយចិត្តសប្បាយចិត្តអស់គ្នា
get in position. I
Cặp.
think Vincent though in the first game he was phenomenal.
សៃឡានទិញ
Side
Winner
lanes, I
Nature
think RSG managed
ត្រាស់
to
ឲ្យ
do
លេត
this
ហ្គេមសាហាវ
with
ណា
the
អ៊ី
lane
វាល
instead of Hayabusa
លេខ
this
សោយ
time
នេះ
around.
វ៉ាន់វ៉ាន់
It's
ជួយ
great.
មកផែមកគេទេ
Leading the charge
Plot
5 2 and 4 and having full items way
Hello,
ahead
Ban
of where Vincent
រវល់
was.
ធ្វើឲ្យយើង
We're
មិន
spawning
ទុក
up
ទេ
though. What is the play
ត្រូវទៀត
for the side of Evil? They're on the losing end.
They are definitely losing it. The best thing that they can
អាយ
do
ហ្វា
so
គេ
far
អរគុណ
is
នៃការ
go for
follow
a
ផងដែរ
big ball of a macro
លើ
play.
kick
So that is why they have the Fanny.
follow
But
the
I'm
kick
not sure
ហ្នឹង
whether Fanny even have the
តាម
full buff.
ដែល
Nope,
ជើ
he
តាម
doesn't
1
have.
sponsor
So
ការ
that
តែពី
is even that's gonna be
Eh,
an
number
even
one
bigger
sponsor
caveat
giỏi vậy mấy?
for Evil to try to
Direct ក៏បាន
get
number 1
this
ក៏បាន
board. Naturally,
Sai
RSG
game một
have
tiếp đi.
got all that they need. They've got a Linger position
Sâu
1
bay
full
mạng
item
thế.
slotted.
អូកាមតោ
1-1 as well.
កាមតោ
But like super tanky where Evil don't have a
Yeah,
very
man.
good way to clear.
ទៅរោ model ឲ្យមក
Things off closer. Sees Vincent Vincent trying to find an angle. Oh, Roy.
Nice,
The
Roy.
torch of AOG. Locks it down.
Nhau,
Mr. Crown
cho
protects
King
Alpha
Thatcher.
just
Băng
for
lèo.
a while. Ben goes down. Powerful
អូ
falls
លេង
as
ចាក់អ
well.
ហើយបែក
Here,
ជើងនេះពេញ
Mr.
នឹង
Crown
ចាញ់
just a delay
តែ
time
3
for
3
Sigma
សេន
Vincent
ពី
get
ភា
back
សាល
into
គុណចាសម្រាប់
position.
3សេ
Vincent trying to come in
ន
for round 2. But all
Let's
5
go,
members
Bob.
are all getting
Be
stunned
more,
up,
be
locked up onto the
Be
wall.
more, that's right,
Sigma
right,
left
right,
all
yeah.
alone. It's 1 versus
ពីមួយ
5.
វាវាយអត់
And
ជី
ladies
ពី
and
មួយ
gentlemen, we are going into a game 3.
7 5
Now
10អត់បង
is what we
Trời,
want
có
to
cái
see
tay
from
cà ria ấy, ừ.
RG. Definitely,
ថៃ
I
នី
would
តា
say that they
Flam
went
Zero Fear ឡូ
unpunished, right?
Yeah.